I used to have a YouTube channel called Backyard Kombi. I ran out of time and inspiration about 2 years ago, so all that got put on pause. Still have the backyard, still have the Kombi, still have small dogs. And a couple of weeks ago, I started feeling the urge to get back out here and do something on this project. For those of you keeping score at home, this is a 1964 Turkish bus. Tire lower portion of the bus was all rotten. The front had a big dent in it. Did a bunch of mechanical work myself, but I sent it off to have that metal work done. And I had them leave the welds to grind to save some money. Here's what I'm dealing with. I already kind of started. I'm gonna have to grind all of that off. Do a little bit of welding of the pinholes and grind again all the way around. So if you're into watching grinding, don't touch that dial. I'm gonna start off with this tool. Woo! Well, that was a lot of work, but not so hard. I would call it skill-appropriate labor. And here's what it's looking like. I got the whole weld all along the rocker panel. Got it smoothed out. Look at all the little pinholes. I'm going to have to go back and do some welding. But my plan is hit that with self-etching primer, grind all the welds all throughout the bus, then come back and do all the welding at once. Until then, thanks for watching. No guarantees, but I hope to put another video out sometime soon. Maybe actually on YouTube. Maybe more than grinding.